we help her strengthen her domestic market, and if she's interested to get onto the international market, then we put her to the proper clients or proper buyers or sellers on the international market, because we have around 102 countries in our database who are members of BPW. So we are widely connected as a sisterhood globally. So members, once we have since we have your profiles, your professions with us, we'll see which country we can connect you, how we can take you ahead with that, and see how best empowered you are economically. We'll be having a lot of trade shows happening. For example, in February, we have a sub-regional conference at Kathmandu. So members are invited. Women from Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, and Pakistan will be coming there. And the international president with international board also is going to be present there. So all our members can come there for 3 days or 4 days. I think we'll have a bonding. You'll get to know people from Bangladesh. You'll be proud to say in your family, I have friends in Sri Lanka, I have friends in Bangladesh, I have friends in Pakistan. And you can even expand your businesses or whatever professions you have. Okay, and we help you build confidence, leadership skills. There's so many things. There's so many things that we all need. So we have a lot of workshops happening on these levels. And corporate women, definitely, it's again connectivity, where we do have an annual leadership workshop happening at New York every year. And here you find Hillary Clinton, all these famous people are a part of this annual leadership summit. So women from corporate will be having a lot of workshops related to their positions, which can help them enhance their skills in that and help them grow in that. And they also need a lot of networking and bonding, and that will be given to them. And for women who don't have an idea as to what they want to actually do, if they're looking at something, then we'll help them do the career counseling and help them as a startup. And then we can help them with the incubation thing, which Bhargavi is heading. And these are the things that we help you with. And as you know, we are into the international network as well as domestic network. And network is a major source for you to create. And to develop all these things, we do have different workshops, talks, seminars, everything organized for you.